Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Gina and I do makeup videos sometimes along with mukbangs. Alright, as you can tell, we've already started with our foundation and eyebrows because you guys definitely don't want to see me without those. And I baked it just for a little bit. Now we're just brushing off all of this powder and making sure everything is smooth before we start our contouring. Right here, of course, I'm using my Hoola bronzer. That is a staple in my makeup bag. And I think I've already hit pan with this one, which means I need to find a new one. If you guys have any suggestions for a more cool tone contour or bronze powder, please let me know in the comments below, because I feel like this one's just a little bit on the pink side for my skin tone, but it is what it is. This is the closest I'm gonna get to what I like as of now, but if you guys have suggestions, please let me know. So we are just putting this all over our forehead and where we want to sculpt our face. Now I'm going in with my Tarte blush called Fearless. This is the first time I'm using this, and from this experience I think it's pretty nice. The color's pigmented, and what I'm doing right here is loading this motherfucker on, and then after I'm going to take this big fluffy brush and blend it out, take some of that pigment back out because it was very blended. It was very thick. In this clip I am contouring my nose. We're going to create a little bridge, make everything more defined and 3D, and so it doesn't look as flat in pictures. For birthday parties and photo shoots, I like to make my makeup pretty dark so everybody, so my pictures could come out good. Now if it's too faint or too subtle, then pictures don't look as nice. My features aren't as poppin', as people would say it, poppin'. So I'm just contouring my nose right here, and we're gonna blend it out with a clean brush. Hey, if you guys hear this chair that I'm sitting on, I'm so sorry. It's very noisy. Like annoying bitches. Here I'm taking my Morphe palette. We're gonna go in with this muddy color right here. I'm gonna call it a muddy color, and blending it into our crease, and we're gonna make sure it's very blended. Keep going back and forth like a windshield. You gotta blend until your wrist falls off. I sounded pretty aggressive with that, didn't I? Yep, we're still blending it in. We're just gonna pack it in, guys. In this clip, I'm taking this maroon color on the left side. I don't know why I was pointing it to the pink one. Obviously, your girl's a little confused. I'm gonna put this in the center of my eyelids and then slowly diffuse it outwards so it looks like a nice transition. And of course, we do a lot of blending. And in most makeup videos, you guys probably already know this, but blending takes a long time. So if you guys think the clip that I add in here is just the amount of blending is going on, that's not it, sis. There's a lot of blending going on in the background or behind the scenes. So blend that ish out, make it look good. I went back in with my blending brush and just diffusing the color together, making sure it looks smooth and not chunky, and we're going to diffuse the outline. I'm taking this black color in my Morphe palette and adding it to the crease a little bit more to add more dimension. Just don't want a flat face. Y'all know growing up I was bullied and people call me flat face, but you know what's funny? The same people who bully me now are nowhere in life. So, sis, who got a flat face now? You got a flat life. Was good. I just went on a tangent for a second there. Anyways, back to this makeup video. We're going to go in with these two shimmery colors. One is a little bit more orange and the other one's a little bit more brown. I'm going to take the orange one first and adding that in the center and also in the inner corner of my eyes. Blending it out. And I'm packing on with my fingers because it just allows me to have more product on my eyes. Using with a brush, I feel like it doesn't pack on as well. And I feel like the warmth of our finger actually melts the product a little bit and make it more pigmented. Yep, y'all, keep packing that thing on. So right here, I'm adding the lighter color in the center of my eyes and still packing it in. This is what's causing that really bright, shimmery highlight that we want. Pack that thing on, sis. Pack it until you don't have any more product in your palette. I think I had too much coffee. I'm sorry, you guys. I'm a little bit extra right now. Give me a thumbs up for the extra. What are we doing next? Okay, I'm going to show you guys these lashes that I'm put on there by Posh. This is the first time using this, and I do end up liking it. Off camera, I'm going to put my eyeliner and my lashes on. Bow! What's good? Well, she's kind of feeling herself, not with those ugly glue. So I'm going to take these two colors, mix them together, and placing this on my lower lash line to add some more dimension. My face kind of looks flat if I don't add that lower lash line. And this also helps to make your eyes look bigger. Bam! So if you guys add a little bit of color in the lash line, the lower lash line, it'll make your eyes look a little bit bigger. Or you can also add white eyeliner to your waterline. That also helps a little bit too. It makes it seem like you have more whites in your eye. And we're gonna blend that thing out. Blink, blink. Now I'm taking this Big Lashes by Tarte with this massive brush. It kind of reminds me of the, what is that other one? Better Than Sex mascara brush. Very similar. I feel like this one is just as good. It doesn't flake on me or anything, or I haven't experienced that yet. So far so good with this product. We're just gonna make ourselves some little lashes on the bottom. Bam! And of course you want to blend your real lashes to your fake lashes on top. Almost poked myself out. Look at that. So the glue is still drying. I just want you guys to know you're not going to leave the house looking like this. I use a white glue instead of a black glue, and the white glue takes a little bit of time to dry. And now I'm going in with my Tartelette palette. I think it's called Tartelette in Bloom, and taking that highlight color. This is my all-time favorite highlight color. And we're going to put it on the bridge of our nose, on the tip of our nose, on our cheeks. Make sure we get that pop. You know, for some reason I didn't put as much highlight on my cheekbone this time as I did all the other times. Guess I want to do like a subtle look here. Blend that thing out so it doesn't look chunky. And now we are taking this all-nighter Urban Decay face spray. It's basically hairspray, but for your makeup. This one I highly recommend. It does make your makeup stay on all night, even if you're sweating all night, which I did. I was sweating all night. My makeup still stayed on, which is awesome. So right here, I'm just testing out some lip gloss because I don't know which lip I should wear with this look. This is Jouer. It's like an orange pigmented shimmery lip gloss, but it was too sheer for me, so I decided to switch to something else. And that something else is called Black Moon. And this is the first time I've heard of this. One of my sister-in-law's friend gave this to me. Does it say Black Moon? It does say Black Moon. It's a pretty dark mauve color, and you guys know what? I end up really liking this color with this look. Has anybody else used Black Moon? I just feel like I'm now discovering this product and this brand. It's really nice, and the matte lipstick feels moisturizing at the same time. It doesn't feel as dry compared to dare I say it, Kylie Cosmetics. But yes, so I did end up going with this lip color instead of the other ones. But that is all, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this super quick tutorial of my makeup this year for my birthday. And if you like it, please leave me a thumbs up. Comment below what you guys want to see, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Love y'all. Love ya, love ya, love ya. Bye.